So now let's see how to trace out character using the pencil tool right over here. So to trace out a character, I'm going to import out an image first. So I'm going to go to File, I'm going to go to Import, and then I'm going to go to Images right here. And I'm going to click on Browse, select the character that I want to trace, open that out right over there. Once I do that, I'm going to import this as a Toon Boom bitmap drawing, and I'm going to press OK, and the character is here. So this is going to be my reference character. So now I'm going to create a new layer and start tracing. So I'm going to lock out this layer right over here because this is the character I want to trace. I'm going to create a new layer and I'm going to go around and then click on drawing. Since I want to animate the character later on, I do want to keep it in different layers, which is usually how you work in Toon Boom. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to say head right over here. So that is going to be the name of the layer right here. The head, that's the first layer. So let's go over here and start tracing it out. So I'm going to go around onto the pencil tool, and then in the pencil tool, I'm just going to go around here, select the brush size. I'm going to make sure that the center line smoothing is at the maximum level right here because I'm using a mouse. If you're using a tablet, however, you can keep it a bit less. So over here at the bottom, I'm going to make sure that I have this tool on. So this is the line building mode, which lets me overlap lines, and I'm going to make sure that auto close gap is on as well. So once I do that, I'm going to start tracing now. So I'm going to go over here, turn on the light table so that there's the transparency. So now I'm just going to drag around and start tracing. So let's start from the head. That is a plain old circle. So let me just drag around and it'll smooth out itself, as you can see. So I can simply drag around just like that. And just like that, I can overlap and drag around as I use the pencil tool right over here. Click around, drag around over here, click around and drag around over here. Click, drag around over here just like this. Click and drag around over here. Click and drag around just like this. And there you go, the tracing is done for the head. So let's add in another layer drawing, and that is going to be for eyes right over here. So let's add in eyes right over here. And then trace around the eyes over here just like that. So that's not really perfect. So let's just go over here and I'm going to make a circle like this. So there's a bit of thing going on right over here. So let me just go around here. All right, there you go. So there's the eye and another eye over here. So another eye right over here. And okay. Need to be careful. There you go. So another eye over there. It's not very perfect, but anyways, let me just go around, try to make it even more smoother, just like that. All right. So just like that, a bit smoother. All right, there you go. So there's the eye right over there, the eyes. And now I'm going to add in another drawing over here. That's going to be for the mouth, and I'm going to add it in. A mouth is just a straight line in this case, right? Just like that. So there's the mouth. Now let's go towards the body right over here. So I'm going to add in a new layer. Okay, so seems like I enable the frame and everything. I don't actually need that. I'm going to press Ctrl Z. I'm going to go over here and then I'm going to go around, add in a drawing, and I'm going to rename it as body just like that and add it out. So let's trace out the body over here. So let's trace it out over here just like this. Slowly trace it out. So it does take a bit of time to get used to this, but as you get used to it, it'll become really easy. So just like that, drag around over here. All right, so drag around and there you go. So just like that, close the gap over here because I want to fill it out with color later on. So there you go. So there's my body right over there. So just like that, I'm going to add in another drawing. So let's go for left foot, not the foot, but I need the left leg itself. So I'm going to say left leg LL, and I'm going to say right leg, so right L right over here. So I'm just going to add both of the layers, and I'm going to add in left foot for, I want to trace out the foot as well, and the right foot right over here, and trace out the right foot as well. So there you go. I'm going to go on to the left leg first and trace it out. So just like that, trace it out over here just like that, and there you go, trace it out. There you go. There's the left leg. It's not closing in. I do need to make sure that it closes in so that I can color it in later on. So just like that, I'm going to close it out. There you go. So that's the left leg, and now I'm gonna go on to the right leg over here, just like that. And there you go, there's the right leg over there. The left foot, so it's just this shape over here. Okay, that's the left foot, and now the right foot. There you go, so left foot, right foot. Seems like I drew it on the same layer. I need to draw it over here on the right foot layer. Okay, there you go. So right foot is done. So let's do around with the hands as well. So I'm going to go around here, add a new drawing. So left arm, right arm, and left hand and right hand right over there. So just like that, 4 layers. Left arm, so let's trace this out now. So just like this, just trace it out over here, trace it out, and just like this, trace it out till here, just like that. And there's the left arm. I do need to make sure of the shape as well, because I do need to move around if I'm where to animate this. So just like this, I'm gonna go on to the right arm now, and for the right arm, just drag around. Okay, so not really perfect. So just like that. Okay, not really perfect again. Does take a quite a number of tries, so it's quite fine if you're trying to make it with quite a bit of number of times right over here, just like this. So let's go around with the left hand now. So for the left hand, I'm just going to go around here and then trace it out, just like this. Trace it out over here, and there you go. There's my hand over here for the left hand, and I'm going to go around now onto the right hand. So right hand, and then just trace this out over here, just like this. So trace it out. There you go. There's my right hand. So just like that, I got all of these over here. So I got my head, eyes, everything. So we just need to start coloring it now. So I have my head. I need to go to my paint tool. Just gonna go over here and go access my colors over here. So I'm just going to add a new color, and I'm going to edit this. This is going to be something like my skin color over here, just like this. So I'm using multi-wheel mode, just like that. So I got more control. So just like that, I need to fill this up. So just click, and that's been filled up. Let's fill up the hands as well, like left hand and right hand. I can turn off the light table now actually, and hide the main drawing layer. So I'm gonna go on to the right hand and right hand, so that it's this one, and the left hand right over here, this one, just like that. Now I need to color up the body as well. So I need to color up the pants as well. So I'm just going to go around here, and then I'm going to edit this. I'm going to choose something like a blue color for this one and color up the pants. So I'm going to go around onto the bottom, and over here there's the left hand, right leg and left leg, not the foot. So right leg, color that out, and left leg, color that out. Let's go around and color up the foot as well. So I'm just going to go around here, add a new color. I'm going to right click, I'm going to go to edit over here. So I'm going to go to edit, and then I'm going to just color this out, just like that. So I'm going to make it brown over here. So I'm just going to make it a bit of a brown color over here, just like that. Choose the color, and there you go. So once I do that, I'm going to go around here onto the left foot, color that out, and right foot, color that out over here. So let's color up the body over here now. So I'm going to go around here, I'm going to right click, edit this out, and for this one I'm going to choose, let's say, something like a purple. All right, so something like a purple color over here. So once I do that, I'm going to close it, and I'm going to just go around here, select the body and color that out over here. So I'm going to add in another layer over here, another color, sorry. So I'm going to go around. So purple is fine for this one, but for that, I'm just going to edit it out to be a bit brighter level of purple. So just a bit brighter, and there you go. So to create a bit of variation. So I'm going to go around to the right arm, color that out, and left arm, color that out. And there you go. So there's everything has been colored out now. So now let's arrange the layers. So head, eyes, mouth, that is going to be at the top. So let me just drag it and keep it at the top over here. So that's there. And now for the right hand and the left hand, I need to keep it below. So head, eyes, and mouth. So I do need mouth and eyes to be at the top. So I'm not going to worry about it now. So I'm just going to worry about the layers. Seems like I played it accidentally. All right. So now for the right hand and everything, let me just pull this out a bit right over here. So right hand is going to be underneath the right arm, left hand underneath the left arm right over here, and body on top of everything, actually, just like that. So body on top of, so this is not bad as well, but according to the drawing is like this. So just like that, the body is at the top of everything. So now what we can do is we can start parenting out things. So that's the head. So I'm going to keep the eyes underneath the head and the mouth. So over here, the eyes and mouth is hidden. So I need to bring them in the front. So I'm going to work around with the Z-axis. So Z-axis, on the position of Z-axis, I'm just going to say 0.001. So that the mouth is in the front. Same goes with the eyes. I'm going to go around here and then over here onto the position Z. I'm going to say 0.001 out there, and that is there on the front as well. So just like that, that's the head over there. So once head is done, I'm going to work around with the body. So head is going to be the body's child, just like that, and head I need to bring out its Z-axis onto the front as well. So just like that, 0.001, and the head is in the front. So body is the main entity right over there. So let's go around on to the hands right now. So there's the right arm. So right hand is going to be the child of right arm. Left arm, the child is just like that. And for the foot, left foot and right foot. So left foot and right foot. Child to right leg and left leg over here. So it went inside. So I need to access its Z position 0.001. And over here as well. So this is going to be over here on the position 0.001 right over here, just like that. So left foot, right foot, and everything else is arranged out just like that on all of it. So once everything is done, I'm going to make it a child of the body over here. So once I do that, all has been rigged out. So as I move the body along, everything will be selected. So before we animate and do anything, we need to take care of the anchor point over here. So body's anchor point is going to be the center right here. The right arm is going to be right around in this section. Left arm is going to be around in this section. Right foot is this one right over here, just like that. And left foot is right over here. So once you do that, there's the head, which is going to be right over here. So just like that, now I can start animating it over here. So this is the character. I can move around the head. As you can see, I can move around the leg just like that. So I can change the position of the leg right over here. So I can animate it however I want. So I can move around the arm right over here, just like that, and move around the arm a bit backward over here. Just like this. This is how you can trace out a character. If you want to change the look of the overall character itself, I can simply go on to the pencil tool and then select like different sort of thickness over here. So let me just go around to the pencil tool. Let me select everything out here, and seems like I drew everything. So let me just select all of it over here from the selection tool, and then select the type of outline I want to give to the character. So just expand this out, just go around. You can choose different type of stroke as well, but anyways, I'm just going to go for none. And maybe I want to stick with this one. So increase the size, and there you go. You got the character look, as you can see. So you can also go over here, select different type of textures as strokes to give different look to the character, just like that. So just like that, you can see that now it got a cartoony like line to it as well, and the character looks much more interesting to look at. It's been rigged and is now now you can animate it. So that is how you can trace out a character by using the pencil tool inside of Toon Boom Harmony, and then rig it out to make it to do an animation and change the look of it as well. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.